This 1-pound bunny is the smallest rabbit in North America, and he lives almost exclusively in the Great Basin. If the snow were deeper, he could tunnel between bushes. But this winter's dusting leaves him exposed to his enemies. Worst of the bunch is the long-tailed weasel. He's no bigger than the rabbit and has bad eyesight, but his nose and ears are sharp. A whiff of bunny, and it's game on. But the rabbit's made a network of well-worn trails, always running in his own footsteps. The weasel tries to follow his nose. The weasel can't figure out if he's coming or going. Game, set, and match. Bunny.